Hello my dear viewers, I am Madeline Korea once again with you in my channel. Today I am going to show you a non-vegetarian recipe called the sheep trotters. Paya in my Indian language, it is paya. Now I have got it here. I bought 12 a dozen, okay, washed, cleaned in the market because I don't know how to clean. You have to clean it thoroughly. Brought it. But today I am going to make trotters, only six trotters, that means 6 legs. Look at this. That means 6 sheep legs I have cut into pieces in the market only. My market butcher man does it. Washed it thoroughly because it gets that burnt smell come. I will 2-3 waters I have washed. I'll put it in the cooker. Yes. Now, I will not put salt at this stage. I'll put 3 cups of water. Keep it on the gas, okay, for at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes means after 2 whistles, I will lower the flame and keep it for the rest of the time, in totality 30. If you do it on a gas, just in a vessel, it takes a longer time. Put it on high flame. Two and a half glass. At this stage. Okay, after 2 whistles, lower the flame and keep it for, in totality, 30 minutes. Okay, keep it on high flame. Yeah. And now I have the ingredients. I'll show you. Watch carefully. Okay. Now for 6 trotters, I have soaked 1 medium marble side tamarind in 1 cup of water. Let it soak. This has to be used while cooking. Second part of the recipe. I have 6 garlic cloves, 6 red chilies. Any type of your Kashmiri or wrinkled. I have taken 6. 2 and a half onion, small, finely chopped. The other half is cut like this for seasoning. Okay, a piece of ginger, 3 cardamons, 4 peppercorns, 2 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, and half tablespoon of cumin seeds, jeera, and about 6 garlic cloves. Salt is obviously there, and turmeric. Now all I have to grind everything except tamarind and onions, which are kept for seasoning. Okay. And as my trotters are getting cooked, boiled, pre-boiled, okay, before seasoning, I will do this grinding of this masala. Put water as and when required to make it a thin paste. Little more have to do. Little more, okay? Dear viewers, you follow my recipe word to word and you will enjoy having this particular dish. It's very authentic and I learnt it from my mother. Thank you.